Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to deposit money on your Fidelity brokerage account. So first, as you can see here in the main screen, there is the option to add funds. But in some case, this option is not available. So all you need to do in this case is to click on this green dollar icon. Then it will show us different option. Click on the transfer icon here. And after that, you will select from where you will be depositing money. There is a lot of options, so you can choose from. I will select my bank account. And if you don't have an external bank account linked, you can choose this option to link your bank account. Then select which account you want to send the money to. So we'll be choosing our Fidelity account. Then select the frequency to just once and select the date of the transfer, then the amount you want to add. Then click on review, then submit. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.